Today's topic is about microRNA. In this video, we will learn about what is microRNA, its function and biological importance of microRNA. So, some genes produce tiny RNAs known as a microRNA or miRNAs, which are about 21 to 25 nitrogen bases in length. So, a short single-stranded chain of RNA, it is made up by the particular gene and called as a microRNA. They have a RNA hairpin structure showing internal hybridization to make it two strands and are now called as a short hairpin RNA, that is shRNA. Initially it is single stranded RNA, that is called microRNA. Now when it is bent, it is then considered as a SH or short hairpin RNA, or it is also sometimes this all molecule initially called a pre-microRNA. These are transported to the nuclear pore into cytoplasm, where out of these two strands, one is broken by the disonuclease. Due to that hairpin-like structure formation, one strand will be removed with the help of disonuclease, and only one strand will be there now. So in the picture, we will look at first pre-mRNA. It is bended and making a pre-microRNA, that is hairpin-like structure. Now that is transported from nucleus to the cytoplasm. So now cytoplasm containing pre-microRNA, that is also short hairpin like structure. Now out of that microRNA duplex, one strand will be broken down and only one strand will be remain there, and that is called a microRNA. Finally, this microRNA is able to attach over the complementary mRNA molecule, and its biological importance that we will look. So the selected strand is called as a guide strand, which is incorporated into the RNA-induced silencing complex. So whatever this guide strand or remaining microRNA, that is incorporated into RNA-induced silencing complex. The can provide specificity to the RNA-induced silencing complex, which binds and then degrades complementary target mRNA in the cytoplasm. So once it is attached over the mRNA, this microRNA binds to matching piece of mRNA, turn it into a double stranded. So if mRNA is present over that microRNA is attached, now it is converted into the double strand. When it is attached, then it will keep it away, that mRNA is now not able to perform their job, so keep it away from doing its job. The process effectively blocks the production of corresponding protein formation, causing translation arrest. Because of that, microRNA guide strand is generated, and that is now stopping further protein formation by affecting this messenger RNA. So microRNAs regulate the expression of nearly one-third of all human genes by targeting their 3' untranslated region. Basically, it is attached over the 3' untranslated region. More than 2,500 human microRNAs have been identified, and they are involved in every aspect of molecular biology. Circulating microRNA is a rich source for potential disease biomarker. Certain particular microRNA is seen specific for the certain disease, and therefore microRNAs are useful as a disease marker also. So that's all about what is microRNA, its function and biological importance.